Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, Soul Seed Tarot. Hope you all are doing well, happy, and healthy. I'm back again. Today, we are going to continue our monthly prediction series for July 2025. And today, we are going to cover Cancer sign. Before we start the reading, I would request you all to please like, share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Please tell your friends and family as well to subscribe. As the subscribers and followers grow, I'll post more and more videos on my channel. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And with that, let's start our reading for Cancer sign. Cancer, please keep in mind these are going to be general readings. All the messages may or may not resonate with you. Please keep the ones that resonate and leave the rest. With that, let's see what we have for you in July 2025. Your overall energies, your business, your job, career, and finance, your health, and love messages for you. Give me a second. Let me just adjust these cards so that everything comes in the frame. Okay. Cancer sign, for your overall energies, we have King of Wands. You're planning something. You're gathering people to follow your path, to take your lead. You're trying to lead something. Maybe you'll be promoted in July and you'll have to lead a team. You're having a clear vision in July. Some of you are going to start a new business. You're going to have partners, investors. Excuse me for the unnecessary noise. Okay. So, you're going to lead a team. Maybe you're going to start a new business. You have business partners and investors who believe in you. People are following you. People are following your lead. They feel you are the best person to lead this team. They believe you can achieve the milestones, you can achieve the goals because you have a vision, you have the power and the capacity to take responsibility. You are a hardworking person. In short, people trust you. And you are as well giving them a reason to trust you. You're showing them results. People around you are going to support you in July 2025. Moving on to your business, we have the High Priestess in reverse. Clarifying that we have the Star in reverse, we have the Three of Swords, and we have the Emperor. There is a lot going on in July, Cancer sign. Okay? That is why. You are trying to please other people, maybe like that is what is happening. Let me just explain it to you. People show trust in you. People believe in you. You want to keep their trust. You want everybody on the same page. You want everybody to be happy. And in turn, that is making you a people pleaser. And because of that, you are focusing more on other people's opinions. They are your business partners or your investors, and you want to listen to them. That is a great thing. But you are not listening to your inner self anymore. You are not paying attention to your inner callings, any signs that universe is giving. You're not focusing on that. You're completely trusting their opinions, and one person is giving one opinion and the third person is giving a completely different opinion, and that is bringing some imbalance in this situation. Okay, your job here is to bring back balance in this situation, because you are leading this team, you are sitting on this chair. All the, how do I say, power is in your hand. You can make this thing happen. You can make your team achieve the milestones and goals, and you have the capacity, you have all the skills that is needed, and you have the determination, dedication that is required to lead this team. So Cancer sign, if at all you are not following this message, like if at all you are not following this action, it is advised for you to bring balance. Okay, use your logical sense, also your use your charm to convince people. Okay, like people are fighting over different opinions, you have to use your charm and logical sense to convince everyone to be on the same page. That is the, excuse me for the noise again. I don't know why people are like unnecessarily making noise. Okay. So that is what should be your primary focus in July 2025 in your business. Because if your business partners, your internal team is not stabilized, then it will create a lot of problem focusing on the outside. Excuse me for the disturbance, Cancer sign. I'm back again. There was a lot of unnecessary noise, so I had to fix something. So, fix in the sense, okay. Let's not clarify further. So, that is your energy in July 2025 in your business, Cancer sign. Moving on to your job, career, finance, we have King of Pentacles. There is a lot of discipline, again, taking leadership, again taking responsibility. People are going to realize your hard work, they are going to recognize your hard work, and of course there is going to be some appreciation. Few people, if possible, are going to get appraisals or promotions. Clarifying further, we have Four of Swords in reverse, Page of Cups in reverse, and Knight of Swords in reverse. So you're putting a lot of work, you're thinking logically. Okay, that is very much beneficial for you, Cancer sign. Moreover, I want to say, people who want to follow their passion and want to have a stable income from their passion, think twice before following your passion and leaving a stable income. Like, few people are planning to leave a stable job and explore other opportunities, follow their passion, maybe find their passion, explore what talent they have. So think twice before taking such decisions, and I would suggest you to take some time off and with a cool mind, think about what is going to be your next action. I would suggest Before following your passion blindly, use your logical sense. A logical and wise decision will keep you on track. Yes, of course, you have a lot of ideas that you can do a lot of bunch of things. You are interested in a lot of things. It is great, but your ideas are not in a position to shape your future, to shape your finances. That is what I'm seeing from this spread right now. It is great that you want to follow your interest or passion. Keep it as a side work, like a hobby, like a side hustle. You can keep that as a side hustle for as of like for now. Once you get stable income, like once you like get a stable, how do I say, reputation, your image is created, you have a stable income, you have achieved few milestones in this passion of yours. Once you have achieved few milestones in the passion of yours, like following this path, then you can risk your stable income. This is not actual time to take risk, because all your ideas are in idea phase only. Okay, you need a proper planning to follow that. Moving on to your health, Cancer sign, we have Page of Cups. Okay, clarifying further, Two of Wands in reverse, Ten of Pentacles in reverse, and Four of Pentacles in reverse. Cancer sign, how do I say it? You're holding on to something, Cancer sign, in July 2025, and you have to leave that habit of yours. You have to leave it, but I see you're realizing that in July, and you may take action too. Otherwise, if you don't have any such habit, like any habit like procrastination or eating junk or not drinking water or simply smoking or drinking, something like that, if you have any kind of those habits, I see you realizing that and changing your habits. If at all you don't have any such, I don't see any health issues in July 2025 for Cancer sign. Everything looks fine and perfect. Just don't irritate yourself, like mental torture. Don't give mental torture to yourself being very much materialistic. Okay, moving on to your love life, Cancer sign, we have the Tower card in reverse. There is a personal transition. Okay, let's see what it is about. We have Eight of Pentacles in reverse, we have Six of Swords, we have the Sun card in reverse. Okay, hmm. You're first off, you're tired of something. You're tired of taking stand. You're tired of making your point. You're tired of, mm, you know, fighting for yourself. All those energies are here, but Cancer sign, July is a month of testing. Like, universe is going to put you through some test. What kind of test, I would say? It is not something new. It is not like something huge is going to happen and universe is going to test your patience. No, it is not like that. Something that has happened in the past, similar to this thing, has happened in the past, that hampered your mental or emotional state. Like, somebody was cheating on you and you were trusting them blindly, that kind of situation, or something like that, that a situation that made you learn few lessons. Now universe is going to test you if you have really learned those lessons, else it'll just be a lesson again. Okay, that is what you have to keep in mind, Cancer sign. Relationship wise, let's clarify further. Okay, okay, if anybody was facing a down phase or going through a rough patch in their relationship, it is going to be fixed. You are going to recover from that situation. Fixed in the sense, either you are going alone in your life, proceeding further in your life all alone, leaving all those negativity behind, or you and your person both are just going to communicate, compromise, and proceed together in your life happily. Anything could be possible. It is up to you and your person and your situation. Okay. Okay, Cancer sign, that's all I had for you for July 2025. If it resonated, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you need any clarification further, your job, career, finance, or about your love life, please comment in the comment section below, and I shall do a separate reading for you, clarifying all your concerns. And I just hope you get the message that you really need in your life. Okay, Cancer sign, that's all I had for you. Thank you for joining. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye.